Hello everyone and welcome to today's episode. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of trenchless construction methods. This innovative approach to construction has revolutionized the industry, minimizing disruption and maximizing efficiency. Let's get started and explore the various trenchless construction techniques and their benefits. For decades, traditional construction methods involved digging trenches for various projects. However, this often resulted in environmental disruption, traffic congestion, and other challenges. Trenchless construction offers a solution to these problems by allowing construction without extensive digging. Trenchless construction methods involve installing, repairing, or replacing underground infrastructure with minimal excavation. This is achieved through advanced techniques and specialized equipment that minimize the need for large-scale digging. One popular trenchless method is horizontal directional drilling. This technique involves drilling a horizontal hole beneath the surface, allowing for the installation of pipelines, cables, and other utilities without disrupting the ground above. HDD begins with a pilot hole being drilled, guided by GPS and other technology. The hole is then enlarged to accommodate the required utility, all without the need for extensive trenching. Another trenchless method is pipe bursting. It's a method used for replacing old or damaged pipelines without digging them out. Pipe bursting involves breaking the old pipe while simultaneously pulling a new pipe through the same space. This process shatters the old pipe and replaces it with a new one, all in one smooth motion. Cured-in-place pipe is yet another remarkable trenchless method. It's used for rehabilitating existing pipelines. With CIPP, a resin-saturated liner is inserted into the existing pipe. The liner is then inflated and cured, creating a new, structurally sound pipe inside the old one. It's a cost-effective and minimally invasive way to restore the functionality of aging pipelines. These are just a few of the many trenchless construction methods. They offer a range of benefits, including reduced environmental impact, cost savings, faster project completion, and less disruption to communities. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of trenchless construction methods. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more educational content. See you next time.